life. In this video, I'll guide you through how to manually add one client to Dubsado. If you need to add a new client directly to your Dubsado account, you can do it quickly from the main dashboard. This is useful when you have a new client and want to create their contact record without importing a larger list. To get started, open Dubsado and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once Dubsado is open, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. From this menu, click on Contact. After opening the Contact section, you'll be able to access the contacts that are already saved in your Dubsado account. This is where you can manage your existing client information as well as add a new contact. To create a new client manually, look for the option to add a new contact and click on Add New Contact. Once you select this option, Dubsado will provide the fields where you can enter the new client's information. Enter the available details for the client in the appropriate fields. You can add the information that you have available so the contact record contains the details you need for managing that client. After you've entered the necessary information, complete the process of adding the contact. Dubsado will then create the new contact and make it available in your Contacts section. From there, you can use the contact record when managing your client and keeping their information organized inside Dubsado. Having the client saved as a contact also makes it easier to find their information later when you need to work with them. One important thing to keep in mind is that the Dubsado interface can look different depending on which version of the platform you're using. If you're following along and your screen doesn't look exactly the same as the one shown in this tutorial, don't worry. You may see different menus, labels, or options depending on the version of Dubsado available to you. The main process is still focused on opening Dubsado, using the menu on the left side, selecting Contact, and then choosing the option to add a new contact. So, if you need to manually add a single client, start by opening Dubsado from your left side menu, click Contact, and then select Add New Contact. Enter the available client information and complete the process to create the contact. That's all you need to do to manually add a new client to Dubsado.